Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Laingut ki Myntri ke Sorkar jela ki bekantup yu ba lakmen remboi ba sostre sotun utimuti di Syira lembat UMLA kanang po constituency ba Meral Bonds im haka arpnya trik ulber arjar penrio kila Plie perdai kelempong ya kenduk lang jong ki Samla Pule ke than stai lamingi kablatip kum ke North East Graduate Congress arjar penrio ya kebala penlong University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabdon hathem riboy Hagane kalempung lai simmanta di Samla Pule nagi Shispa Andri Putli College but Lai Putli University nagi jala ba per ki badan ha kathan chate lamingi jong kari India lengba gane ka program kini ki sama ki liyo bani simmanta hagi jat jing le kai ba per but nalor kata la dan ga jing pen I ya ki kombrem tanrai but ka ble simmanta de barok ki college but university ki badan hagi jaka ba per jong kathan chate lamingi
Honorable Sir, we request you all to kindly release the balloon. May with these balloons, our dreams and aspirations reaches the highest of the highest skies.
To wish my best wishes to all the participants who are present here today. Since yesterday, today and tomorrow, in these 3 days, you will be sharing your ideas, values, identity to ensure that we are one in one platform and to ensure as a citizen of this country. As a proud Indian, I would like to reiterate the beautiful constitution that we have, which ensure unity in diversity in our country. And today it has showcased by witnessing the beautiful cultural group who represent your respective states from all the 8 northeastern states, and to showcase your culture, your identity, your background that you represent. It is very important in the present day generation to ensure that peace will prevail and the sense of oneness will be there in and around our community. Dear friends, on this occasion, I would like to reiterate about the dream and aspiration of each and every one of you. I'm not wrong to say, when you represent your own state, when you represent your own universities, you ensure that you will become someone through this platform and in other avenues also.
Our region, our honored Prime Minister have a dream of Viksit Bharat 2047. How to make that happen? My dear youth of Meghalaya, you are part of this dream. Let the journey will move together with unity, with creativity, with a firm mindset that our region is great, our land is great, our mother India is great, and we continue to serve and be an example to the world. I wish each one of you who are coming to this Congress will be an ambassador. One are learning is 3 days and you go back home. More importantly, enrich your mind, enrich your thought process, enrich the creativity in you so that you become an asset to or your prospect, your state, the region, as I said before, to the Mother India. With these viewers, I wish all the participants, I wish Ustm University, I wish Ustm family the best in the future also. Thank you much. God bless you.
And a matter of great personal satisfaction to be present here today at the inauguration of the Northeast Graduate Congress 2026. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to USDM for bringing together such an extraordinary congregation of young minds from across our vibrant and diverse northeastern region. At its core, NEGC is not merely an event, it is a reflection of a larger idea. An idea that knowledge must transcend classrooms, that education must evolve into action, and that youth must not only inherit the future, but actively shape it. One of the most remarkable aspects of this Congress is its emphasis on unity and diversity. Our region is a fusion of cultures, languages, and traditions. And yet, platforms like NEGC reminds us that diversity is not a barrier. It is a great strength. When young people from different states come together, exchange ideas, and collaborate, they create not only knowledge but also understanding. And that is the foundation of lasting progress.
Here in the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, at the celebrations of this 20,000 undergraduate students here. This is a mega event. I'm very lucky to be here, and I have seen that many different tribes of northeastern states are taking place, and many students from different places, from different states of northeast are also coming and getting their education here also. I am very much grateful for the University of Science and Technology of Meghalaya for opening this medical college also, because many students from Meghalaya also benefited out of this medical college. 60 seats have been allotted to the students from Meghalaya. This is a unique opportunity for the students of Meghalaya to study in the medical college. And in the near future, this university is intended to open the super specialist hospital also. That will help a great deal for the patients who are suffering from different diseases and who would go to the southern states like Tamil Nadu for treatment. But after opening the super specialist hospital, I think there will be no need for them to go to those hospitals like Delhi, Bombay and Tamil Nadu. Here, you see, they will be getting a good treatment at a cheaper rate. And it will be much more convenient for the people of the Northeast to come here and get all this treatment.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.